Hello and welcome to English Company Learn English with Alex and Maria Part 5. Now today we will discuss how to use its and its. The first is IT with apostrophe s and other is ITS. We'll understand the difference. Hey Maria, I always get confused about when to use its and its. One, IT apostrophe s, IT with comma and s, and the other without comma. Can you help me understand the difference? Of course, Alex. IT with comma and s, which is apostrophe and s, is a contraction for it is or it has. For example, it is going to rain today, which means it is going to rain today. Is this clear? Got it. So, IT apostrophe s is short for it is or it has. What about IT without comma or apostrophe s? Its is a possessive pronoun, meaning something belongs to or is associated with it. For instance, the cat licked its tail. Here, it shows that tail belongs to the cat. That makes sense. So, it with comma and s is the contraction and ITS without comma shows possession. Can you give me another example with its? Sure. IT with comma and s apostrophe s been a long day. Yani it's been a long day, which means it has been a long day. And an example with its? Absolutely. The company changed its policy. In this sentence, its indicates that the policy belongs to the company. So, its with a comma is short for it is or it has, and its without a comma is used for possession. Any tip to remember this easily? Yes, just remember it with comma and s always means it is or it has. If you can't replace it with it is or it has, then you should use its for possession. That's great tip, Maria. I think I understand it now. Glad to help, Alex. Just remember those key differences and you will be using its and its correctly in no time. Don't forget to subscribe English Company. Improve your communication. Meet you in the next video.